I got into my first UX UI job in 2020. I was working in multimedia design, and suddenly I had the urge to transition into UX UI design. So I left my job and took 3 months of courses and 3 months of getting into design challenges, making mock-up projects, mock-up researches, which is very important as a portfolio for UX UI designer. You do not need a real project. Make up your own project, take an app that you don't like, and find a problem with it and just solve it on your own. Go interview your friends. And that's what I did. I interviewed my friends, did a couple of researches for a couple of apps, and then I kept applying. One day, I found a job opportunity at Jawakir. I'm like, I should totally, as a fan of the company, I was all like, I'm going to totally apply for it. They saw my research and they were very impressed. They gave me a task and I got accepted. And I've been working there for 2 years. UX UI design, especially in Jordan, has a lot of benefits. First of all, is financial, because most tech companies in Jordan are well funded, and being a UX UI designer is a very, very important thing for any tech company. So they do give you a lot of money for that, based on how good you are, obviously. Even juniors. As a junior, you get a lot of financial benefits. Other benefits, especially tech companies, because most tech companies in Jordan are adopting the Silicon Valley way of thinking, which means that you get free food, you get flexible working hours, work from home days, often unlimited, especially after COVID. So that's a lot of benefits other than financial benefits. Also, you get that big satisfaction of working as a UX UI designer. Personally, my satisfaction comes in knowing that I'm creating products for people to use. I personally worked on some products that I saw people use. They didn't know I worked on this feature, but seeing them use it gave me satisfaction that I'm making this person's life a lot easier or more fun. So yeah, that's the satisfaction benefit of it. Do it. It's a young field in Jordan. It's very easy to access. It gives you a lot of benefits. It makes you feel good because you're basically changing people's lives by doing your job. So I would advise them to get into it if they are interested in psychology and solving problems and design, and they'll have a lot of fun.